Living off-grid or running a homestead offers a unique lifestyle that is both rewarding and challenging. One of the key challenges is generating a steady income. Fortunately, there are numerous ways to make money that align with the self-sufficient and sustainable tenets of off-grid living. Agricultural products. Selling produce. If your homestead includes a garden or a greenhouse, selling fresh produce can be a lucrative option. Local farmers markets, community-supported agriculture programs, and even direct sales to restaurants or via online platforms are excellent venues. Livestock products. Raising livestock provides several income streams, such as selling eggs, dairy products, or meat. Specializing in organic or free-range products can also attract premium prices. Value-added products. Crafting artisan goods. Transforming raw materials into finished products can significantly increase their value. This might include making cheese, preserving fruits and vegetables, crafting herbal remedies, or producing homemade soaps and beauty products. Woodworking and crafts. Utilizing wood from your property to create furniture, decorations, or utensils is a sustainable way to generate income. And handcrafted items are often sought after for their quality and uniqueness. Educational workshops and tours. Hosting workshops. Teaching others skills like gardening, canning, renewable energy setup, or animal husbandry can be a source of income. Workshops can be held on site or online, broadening your potential audience. Agritourism. Opening your homestead to visitors for tours, stays, or farm-to-table meals can provide income and promote your products. This is especially popular in scenic or rural areas. Airbnb type income. If you have the land and the ability to offer cabins or other options for paying guests, consider promoting your property as a rustic, immersive experience of living off-grid or on a homestead. And you can also offer larger workshops for those interested in future off-grid or homesteading lifestyles. Remote work. Freelancing. Many off-gridders find that remote work or freelancing in areas like writing, graphic design, or consulting can be ideal, as it requires only a reliable internet connection, which can be achieved through various off-grid friendly setups. Teaching. Setting up a personal website to teach and share knowledge about homesteading or off-grid living can be a lucrative option. This allows you to offer courses, write blogs, or conduct webinars, turning your expertise into a sustainable online business that attracts audiences worldwide interested in learning from your experiences. Rental opportunities. Renting space. If you have extra land and buildings, consider renting them out. This could be as straightforward as leasing some pasture land or as niche as offering a destination location. As an example, a beautifully remodeled rustic barn near a pond or lake might make a great wedding or other celebration location. We have many of these here in the South. Just remember, the more amenities you offer and the more you promote your space online, the more often you will see bookings. Regardless of which of these you decide to do, most of the ideas here would be more successful with a bit of networking. Let local businesses know you will be holding workshops or seminars on various aspects of homesteading or off-grid living. Or talk to the closest hotels about that rental space you're going to promote for weddings. This is a win-win, as the hotels can provide the rooms for the guests renting your space. Living off-grid or on a homestead doesn't mean you have to give up earning an income. By leveraging the resources you have, from the land to your skills, you can create diverse income streams that enhance your self-sufficiency and your financial stability too. Whether through agriculture, crafts, rentals, or digital ventures, the possibilities are as boundless as your creativity and your hard work.